up there. Yeah, it sounds like they disengaged, but I mean, it's unfortunate. 344, 100 miles an hour, just past. Let's go up on the King Boulevard. Sure, you know how to roll up. 344, 80 miles an hour. Go on that exit ramp, the King, big inside it.
Primary.
344. Westbound on the Cane Boulevard. 40 miles an hour. Heavy traffic. Keep going back towards 161.
Foot bail. Black male in the apartment. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up right now! Put your hands up! Put your fucking hands up! Hands out the door! Put your hands out the door! I'm on the outside! I got you. Hands up! I don't care! Hands up! You're on the ground!
Hey, we good? I ain't no way.
I don't care! Shut the fuck up! Hands up! Do not move! Do not move!
Nothing in here, no, we good.
Roll over to my left side.
Roll?
Yeah, roll over. I don't care if it's wet. Roll! I said roll!
Oh, keep going?
Roll!
Oh.
Roll!
I'm good right here?
Watch the pass.
Got it. Got you.
Hey, do not move.
I ain't moving. I ain't going over. I ain't doing that.
Do not move.
I'm good.
Watch the car. Got you.
There's somebody in the back seat.
Yeah, somebody in the back.
Okay.
Hey, mama.
Hey, who was that jumped out the car?
See, I don't even know, man. We
That got him?
somebody a ride, man.
Yeah, he's in the back there in the parking lot.
Gave somebody a ride and he just, man.
Hush! We got 1-10-15 right now.
You got anything on you?
No, ain't nothing. Nah.
Which way did he go?
Ain't got nothing.
Back, westbound.
What was he wearing?
All black hoodie. He fell out the car.
He fell out?
Yeah.
We just gave somebody a ride, man.
Hush, man!
We got a drone on the way.
Alright. You can go ahead and clear the neck.
How old are you?
21.
I saw you out there target.
I kept hearing sirens and I
saw him.
So look, I'm sitting.
I told Fitch, I said, "You good? I'm figuring to go."
So
and then I heard taking McCain exit.
That kid was like, "Can you wait?"
Now I turned
I
around.
gotta go.
Yeah, I heard taking my cane. I looked at Fitz. I said, "You good, bro?" He said,
Was it y'all's pursuit or yours?
It was mine. They freaking all he did was run a stop sign. I was like, tell him so there, give him a warning, let him go.
Run the
And all of a sudden he
reason.
stopped. He just kept rolling. He ran through 4 more stop signs. I'm like, are you kidding me?
Just continue for now, okay? All right.
Hey, so who's that buddy that jumped out the car? That woman ran him over.
Man, you just picked somebody up and gave him a
Come on, man. Hey, you still pick that dude up. You smiling. You know you're lying. Man, who's that? Who is?
Real talk, real talk.